मनोहर शोभित फूले बरज विपिने जमुना कूले मंच मनोहर शोभित फूले ओ वनस्पति लता तुलसिए
Yes,
दयिते राधे जय जय माधव दयिते गोकुल तारुणी मंडलमयिते गोकुल तारुणी मंडलमयिते राधे जय जय माधव दयिते चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्री चक्षुर्मितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमो गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। जयतां सुरतोल्कम्बो मत्सर्वस्व पदाम्बुजो श्री राधा मदन मोहन दिव्योदरनारायण कल्पद्रुमांद श्रीमद रत्नाकर सिंहासनस्थो श्री श्री राधा श्री गोविंद देवो पृष्ठार्घ शिवमान स्मरामि। श्रीमान रासरसारंभी वंशी वटतट स्थित करसनवेणु शनैर्गोपी गोपीनाथ श्रीस्तु नमः। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 Sri Sri Ashtamjam Sadhana. Sri Sri Bhajan Rasya Ashtamjam Sadhana. Continue. We also discuss Sri Sri Bhajan Rasya composed by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. 8th Jam Sadhan Prema Sambhog Mangila. एवं व्रतसप्रिय नाम कृत्वा जतानुरागो द्रुतचित्त उच्चै असाधियतो हृदौ तिरोति गायनोन्मादवत् नित्यति लोकवज्जम् एवं व्रतसप्रिय नाम कृत्वा जतानुरागो द्रुतचित्त उच्चै हसोति अथो रोदोति रोति गायनोन्मादवत् नित्यति लोकवाज्य. So, sadhak continue performing his bhajan and sadhan, then attend in his prema dasha, and that time he completely, absolutely absorbed in the sweet pastimes of Krishna. So, in this verse, Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur in Bhajan Rahasya very nicely and elaborately explained in the heart of one who adopts such transcendental vow, attachment of chanting the name of the most dear Lord, sweet pastimes, now he rises above the condition of the general mass of people, and he is beyond caring for their opinions and views in a natural way, not out of patience. He acts if mad, sometimes he loudly chanting Lord's holy names, and sometimes laughing and sometimes crying and shedding tears. Sometimes in a loud voice he calls out to Bhagavan, and sometimes with a sweet voice he sings the glories of Lord. At other times he perceives his beloved standing before his eyes. He stands dancing in order to please him. Evam vrata sapriya nama krutva jatanurago drutachitta uchchai hasati atho rodoti roti kayana unmadavat nityati lokavachya. Lokavachya means not looking to the others people, attention to him or not. That means he avoid to the shyness of the society or other things. This is called lokavachya. And nirlajya ke bhante. Nirlajya, understand? Completely what? Shameless. and chanting Lord's holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Sometimes he cried, or sometimes he laughed. Why? Because when he chanted holy names, and that time that kinds of leela, sweet pastimes of Krishna manifest in his heart. That means by Yogamaya, in his heart, the Krishna's Sambhogmaya leela manifest. Sambhogmaya means Krishna's meeting pastimes with the gopis. That leela automatically manifest, not any artificial or not these things, something spontaneous. Because holy names is not developed from Hari, Sri Hari. So when he chants holy names, then automatically Krishna's all the sweet pastimes manifest in his heart. Sometimes Krishna meeting leela is coming. And when his meeting leela manifested in his heart, that time he cried, that time he completely and laughed and joking. And when Krishna and gopis separation leela, Viraha leela coming, that time he cried and rolling on the ground. So saying, Evam Brata Sapna Nama Jata Anurago, Jata Anurago. Meaning spontaneous, deep attachment towards Krishna. And chanting holy names. So much asakti. Like, as like, we have, as like Visai. Visai means materialistic people. Those who are enjoy the sense gratification. Absorbed with the material things. Not so easy to give up. Charva ev. Tapta ikchu charvan joiche charana na jai. I give an example. Tapta ikchu. Tapta ikchu, understand? Yes. Sugar cane. If the sugar cane, if you put in the fire, that will be very hot. And that time you chew, then the sugar cane, the rust melons coming, very sweet. But simultaneously, you are tasting very sweetness. On another hand, your tongue is burning. Tongue is burning, or simultaneously sweetness coming. Because very sweet juice. But you cannot to give up. So saying this, Tapta ikchu chorban joiche charana na jai. Not so easy to give up there. In the same way, when sadhak comes in the stage of bhav and prema dasha, that time very difficult to stop. Automatically holy names dance on his tongue. Tundi tanundi vitunati tundavuli labdai karna korobhyam. That time he also prays to Lord, O Lord, give me millions tongue. I chant your sweet holy names. So sweetness comes. Tundi tanundi vitunati tundavuli labdai karna korobhyam. That I will pray to Lord, O Lord, you will give me million ears. I listen your sweet pastimes. That, O Lord, you will give me thousand eyes. I will see, or very nice, beautiful, your deities, Vigraha. As like Bilamangal Thakur. Bilamangal Thakur, when he took darshan to Lord, you know, Bilamangal took life history. when Bilamangal Thakur proceeded to Vrindavan, on the way, then he became very thirsty. And same time, one what is it called? Bridegroom. Just she married and still her mehendi not washed from her hand. And last night she married. At same time, in the morning, she has come to bring the water from the well. So Bilamangal Thakur, when saw to her, and then again his lust desire coming. Then Bilamangal Thakur thinking, oh, this my eyes are the cause of the obstacle to take darshan to Lord. Or my eyes are the cause of the obstacle to go to Vrindavan. If in your heart lust and anger, you are not to attend to Lord. Kam, Kodhir, if you have lust and anger, you cannot take darshan to Lord. So that means lust and anger, this is called your obstacle or go to Vrindavan. Bilamangal Thakur is going to Vrindavan to take darshan to Lord. So now Bilamangal Thakur is thinking, oh, how's my eyes are powerful to stop to take darshan to Lord. Go to Vrindavan. Then will the Bilamangal Thakur, he touched his eyes with that the bridegroom's hairpin. Then blood coming from his eyes. But still Bilamangal Thakur, he is running towards Vrindavan. He thinks, I have to go Vrindavan. Last coming different ways. Darshan, Parshan, Smaranam. Understand? So last are coming. So Bilamangal Thakur thinks, oh, this my eyes are the root cause of the obstacle to go to Vrindavan and take darshan to Lord Krishna. So I have to give heavy chastisement. Then Bilamangal Thakur took the hairpin from the bridegroom and touched his eyes. Now how will go to Vrindavan? Another problem. Then Lord Krishna himself, Vrindavan Chandra Krishna, appeared as like a cowherd boy. Told Bilamangal, where you are going? But I want to go to Vrindavan. Thakurji, he told, Krishna he told, hey, I am also going to Vrindavan. Please come with me. But how will go? Blind man cannot walk alone also. Need someone hold his hand. So Thakurji, Krishna himself, hold his hand. Thakurji hold his hand. Then going. Both are very close, bosom friend. Bilamangal Thakur and Krishna. When bosom friend, then that time both are talking with love and affection. Bilamangal Thakur asked to him, a new traveler who is traveling with him. Bilamangal Thakur, he did not know. The Thakurji Krishna himself, a friend caught his hand and bring him to Vrindavan. So Bilamangal Thakur first asked, first conversation, he asked to Thakurji, what is your name? If you meet someone, first question is, what is your name? Then Thakurji told, people called me, what name? Kanha, Braj language. Actually, my name is called Kanai, or Krishna Kanai something, Kanai. Bilamangal Thakur thinking, oh, maybe an ordinary cowherd boy. Then second, where you live in? That then Thakurji told, I live in Vrindavan. So I have to come here. Then Thakurji told, every day I used to come here to herding the cows. Because I born in Cowherd dynasty, so this is my duty, herding the cows. But I am herding the cows, also helping the people. Krishna is very tricky. Those who are derails from the path, I am also showing to them how they will go perfect way to go Vrindavan. That means is one. Those who are going karma, gyan, jog, marga and others marga, they cannot attain to Vrindavan. So for this regard, Krishna is actually saying this way. Those who are derails, going others way to here and there, karma, gyan, jog, tapas. So Krishna says, this way, this is my duty. Bilamangal Thakur is a very nice person. Then Thakurji told to Bilamangal, Bilamangal, where you born? What is your birthplace? Then Bilamangal Thakur told, I born in South India. Understand? On the bank of Krishna river of Krishna Bedna. Bilamangal Thakur life history also explained this way. He was born in South India on the bank of the river Krishna. I born in high-class Brahman family. This is the thing. Then Bilamangal Thakur told his own life history. And if you are a bosom friend, then automatically open your heart. Bilamangal Thakur told, oh, I also attached with, what is his name? What is his name? Chintamani. These things. Then Chintamani so much abused me, harsh words. And whole life history he told. And if you have a very close friend, then you automatically open your heart. And without sigh, without everything. Now I am going to and Bilamangal. Then Thakurji, Bhagavan, he knows everything. Then Thakurji told him, Bilamangal, you born in Brahman family, and you also very learned scholar, and especially South Indian Brahmanas, they are very learned scholar in Sanskrit especially. South Indian Brahman and also what is called? What Brahman? In Punjab? Pardon? That Brahman is also very Kashmiri Brahman. Understand? Kashmiri Brahman in India and in north and south. And north in South India Brahman or in north in Kashmiri Brahman. And look, this side, this side, up and down. Both types of Brahmanas, they are very highly educated in Sanskrit. Now Kashmir Brahman is almost finished. Muslim, they kicked out and also killed most of all the Kashmiri Brahmanas. And if you go Kashmir, very difficult to find out that Brahman. So now why I'm saying, because this is in our scriptures, history also explained in this way. Thakurji, he told, oh, you born in South India and a Brahmin family, so you must also learn and scholars person in Sanskrit, especially Sanskrit. So, could you glorify about Krishna Katha? I want to listen Krishna Katha. Krishna himself, eager to listen his own pastimes. Bilamangal Thakur is so much enthusiastic. Yes, why not? Then Bilamangal Thakur himself, and spontaneous, and recited all the glorious pastimes of Krishna with very nice, beautiful Sanskrit slokas. That was Sata Siddha, spontaneous. And Krishna's all Lila Katha, he also recited these verses. And later manifested in the form of a book that is called Sri Krishna Karnamrita, Krishna Karnamrita Grantha. Because this Katha, so much happiness, sweetness coming in the ears of Krishna. Bilamangal Thakur, largest place, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought this Grantha, Krishna Karnamrita Grantha, when he traveled in South India. He brought two Granthas. One is called Krishna Karnamrita, Krishna Karnamrita Grantha, Rasmai Grantha, and the Tattva Siddhanta Grantha, Brahma Samhita. Gaudiya Vaishnava have to learn the two Granthas, Brahma Samhita and Krishna Karnamrita Grantha. So Bilamangal Thakur, very enthusiastic, glorifies Krishna's very nice, sweet, beautiful Lila Katha, and this is where. When Krishna almost arrived in Vrindavan, then Krishna told, oh, my mother is calling to me, I have to go. Look, this is Vrindavan, very close, maybe 5-10 meters, then you can come Vrindavan. Then Krishna disappeared from the hand of Bilamangal. But Thakurji himself hold the hand of Bilamangal Thakur. Bilamangal Thakur is blind. When Thakurji Krishna disappeared from the hand of Bilamangal Thakur, then Bilamangal Thakur realized, oh, that guy was not ordinary person. He's Swayam Bhagavan, Anubhavkar. But why? When Thakurji Krishna hold his hand, that time he did not realize that he is Krishna, Swayam Bhagavan. Or when Krishna Thakurji also disappeared from his hand and under them, that time Bilamangal Thakur, he realized. But why? In this context, our Goswamis in their commentary explain. Actually, sadhaka in his meeting lila, his realization not coming. Or maybe realization coming, that is also covered by the Jogmaya. Understand? His realization, anubhuti is coming when he felt rank of separation viraha. Separation means viraha dasha. So for this reason, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested how to chant holy names in separation mode. Viraha Nam Sankirtan. That's it. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jayavadharma also explained, when Guru and Vaishnava is staying in front of me, in front of us, that time we come to understand his personality, his greatness. When he out of my vision, that time realization coming. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained in Jiva Dharma also this. Understand? What kinds of jewels, gems, precious things I got. Now I lose. And that time he is crying and crying. Viraha. Understand? This is the conclusion actually. Viraha creates the so much what is called feeling, anubhuti. Viraha anubhuti karate. For this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught to us how to chant holy names in Viraha mode. Viraha dasha. Vai nanda tanuja kinkarannu sunnayita jagat jugayita nivesanam chakkushapa brishaitam sunnayita jagata sarvam govinda virahena me. Viraha dasha. Especially the sadhak have to feel separation from Guru and Krishna. Viraha dasha. When viraha coming, viraha separation is as like fire. That is viraha agni, viragni. And what is the nature of the fire? Fire nature to burn everything and transparent ashes. In the same way, when viraha agni coming, viraha destroy all your anarthas. Understand? According to the sadhak stage, have to feel separation, viraha. For the viraha is as like fire. So think viraha agni. Viraha anal, viraha anali. Anal means fire. Viraha means separation. The fire of separation burn all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things from the heart of the sadhakas. Feeling separation. Especially when you chant holy names and also try to feel separation from Krishna. Bhavar nave pare mor akulo paran kise kul pavatar napai sandhan. Bhaktivinoda Thakur and this. I am wandering in the cycle of the ocean of birth and death. I don't know how will come out from the ocean of Maya. So here, Bhavar nave pare mor akulo paran. Kise kul pavatar na jai sandhan. I don't know how will I come out from the ocean of Maya. So day and night sadhak feeling separation from Krishna. But another question will come, who will feel separation from Guru and Krishna? Gurudev one lecture also explained. Who will feel separation from Guru and Krishna? Those who have knowledge of relationship, someone that can. If you have no knowledge of relationship, you cannot feel separation. Give an example, in this material world, people they are feeling separation from their family's member, wife, children, husband, friends, because they have someone. Thousand people, they also dying in the flood. Just 1 month before, big flood coming in Kerala, you have seen in the TV. Thousand people also. Complete flood, homeless. And also, many also died. Heavy rain. and completely what? Flooded. Are you crying? One drop of tears coming from your eyes? Nothing. Eh? A little bit upset. Aha. So what happened? But if your any family's member, if your mother, father, wife, children, friend, you die in the flood, they will cry. Because the relationship. Everything depends on the relationship. Politicians, they are also going to that place. Why they are going? For their vote. Nothing. Pretending they are. Politicians, they are going that the place we are helping to the, what is it called? Flooded people. Pardon? Victim. Actually, this is not true. They have no relationship, nothing. Pretending. Their relationship for vote. Not other thing. But if your any friends or your mother, father, wife, children will die and victim at the flood, you will go there. You will help for them properly. So now coming in this way, just I was saying, Viroha dosha. Who will feel separation from Guru and Krishna? Knowledge of relationship, samandha gyan. Bhakti, three things also there. Samandha, avidya and prayojan. First need make relationship with Guru and Krishna. First make relationship with Guru, then same relationship will go to Krishna. Because you cannot direct to make relationship with Krishna. Mayavadha jivir nahi Krishna smriti gyan. Conditional soul, they have no smaran about Krishna. Remembers Krishna. So they say Mayavadha jivir nahi Krishna smriti gyan. So, but Guru, Vaishnava, they are very close to us. Going to make the friendship with Guru and Krishna. Samantha carried. And same Samantha, same knowledge of relationship going to Krishna. So now coming in this way, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu actually taught to us how will you chant holy names in separation mode. Viraha Nam Sankirtan. Understand? Viraha Nam. Actually, this Nam Sankirtan, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Who chanted these holy names first? Srimati Radhika. Ujjwal Nirmani, on commentary, Vishwanath Chakravarti, Ekoda Shri Krishna Virahena Krishna, Radha. And one Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. And that time she was chanting these holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In Viraha, meeting, or meeting in Viraha. Separation in meeting, meeting in separation. Srimati Radhika, she chanting her name also. Hare means Srimati Radhika. Hare Krishna means Krishna. Hare Krishna means Radhe Krishna. So, in this verse also, Germany commentators. Ekoda Krishna Virahena Radha. One Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. Then he chanted holy names. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, dosha will come, separation. But this viraha, separation, actual coming with our knowledge of relations. Sambandha. And so Bilamangal Thakur, just I told, when Thakurji left from the hand of Bilamangal Thakur, that time Bilamangal Thakur, he felt separation from Krishna. That time he realized, oh, that he was not ordinary person. Before he was thinking, when Krishna hold Bilamangal Thakur's hand, that time Bilamangal Thakur is thinking, oh, he is an ordinary cowherd boy. And both are very bosom friends, talking to each other, and this way. And Bilamangal Thakur recited so many slokas, glorifications of Vrindavan, glorifications of Krishna, Srimati Radhika. And when Krishna almost arrived in Vrindavan, and Krishna disappeared from the hand of Bilamangal Thakur, then Bilamangal Thakur, he realized, oh, he is Krishna. That time Bilamangal Thakur, he also composed one verse. Hey Krishna, you may go out from my hand. Hastam utkittam jadi. You may go out from my hand because you hold my hand. So you left me, you went. But you can't go out from my heart. If you go out from my heart, then I will think you are a very powerful person. Paurusam and Ganamite. And then you are a very powerful person. But you can't go out from my heart. Then Bilamangal Thakur, and Braje Prasiddham Navanita Chauram Gopanganam Chadukula Chauram Anika Janaman Jita Papa Chauram Chauram Agragannam Chauram Agragannam Purusam Namami Braje Prasiddham Navanita Chauram Gopanganam Chadukula Chauram Anika Janaman Jita Papa Chauram Chauram Agragannam Purusam Namami. Chaura Agragannam Ashtakam. Sloka Bilamangal Thakur composed. Braje Prasiddham Navanita Chauram. In Braj, Krishna is very famous. That is called Makhan Chor Padartha. So Braje Prasiddham Navanita Chauram. Gopanganam Chadukula Chauram. Krishna, he steals the gopis' cloth and upper cloth. That is called Dukula. Dukula means is what? That is the upper cloth, which are covered their chest. And Dukula means two dynasty. Their mother dynasty and father dynasty. Understand? But when Gopi they gave up all the relationship with their mother dynasty and their also father-in-law's dynasty. Everything. Because Krishna already stored their heart. Braje Prasiddham Navanita Chauram Gopanganam Chadukula Chauram Aneka Janmar Jitapapa Chauram. One who takes shelter of Sri Krishna, Krishna steals all his sinful activities. Not only one life. Aneka Janmar Jitapapa Chauram. Not one life sinful activity. How many? Millions births, all sinful activity, he steals. So the Anika Janmar, the Papa Chauram, Chauram Agragannam, Purusam Namam. You know what, very nicely glorified to Krishna's. And then Bilamangal Thakur told, Krishna, I will give you heavy punishment to you. But why? Karotu bhikshu padigiya hena. You made me street beggar. Karotu bhikshu padigana. Pati geha hena. So you made me street beggar. So I will have to give punishment to you. Then Krishna asked Bilamangal, what punishment will you give to me? Then Bilamangal Thakur told, I put in one dungeon in the Karagar. But where is that? Where is that the dungeon? Then Bilamangal told, Basamama Hidaya Karagare. Only you stay in my dungeon of heart, Hidaya Karagar. And then Krishna again asked Bilamangal, tell to me, when you release free from that the dungeon, then Bilamangal Thakur Satantar Upi Nomachayami. Millions pralay will come. Destruction will come. Everything will be destroyed. But I will never release you from my Hidaya Karagar, dungeon of my heart. Do you know how many types of destruction? Pralay? How many?
4.
What is that?
Attempted pralay?
First is called Nitya Pralay. Every day you are sleeping and wake up. That is Nitya Pralay. When you sleep, Pralay. Destruction. You do have no bodily conception. Have. When you sleep, I have said, Krishna Kripa, Krishna Kripa. Knock the door. 3 times, 4 times, he did not. He completed. Then again and again, sometimes going to, hey, oh, now 5:30, I have to attend Mangalarti. That is called Nitya Pralay. Khanda Pralay. Understand? Khanda Pralay is partly destruction. And after 50 years of Brahma, then 3 Jagat, that means Bhugalok, Prithvilok, and material world, Bhugalok and Sarvalok. These 3 also are destroyed. And our Pralay, completely Pralay, there is in everything, Chaturdas Bhuvan. 14th, grand system completely destroyed. Our Mahapralay, that in all Brahmandas, not only millions of Brahmanas, at the time also destroyed. Yeah? This Pralay Katha also explained in our Shastra. So now coming this way, here Bilamangal Thakur, Satantar Opi, millions Pralay will come, destruction will come. But I will not release you from my Hidaya Karagar, dungeon of my heart. You always stay. Very nice beautiful So I am saying because actually Bilamangal Thakur is sadhak, not siddha. Maybe your question was how do you know who is sadhak, who is siddha? Sadhak means who is practicing, or sadhana siddha, after practicing chanting holy name, bhajan, then he also attain his perfection goal. That is called sadhana siddha. And nitya siddha, those who are coming, descended from Guru Vrindavan, they are called nitya siddha parikar. Understand? So how do you know who is sadhana siddha or which nitya siddha? So now try to understand those who are sadhana siddha, they are called jiva tattva. Those are called nitya parikar. They are called Some Nitya Siddha also, they are Jivas also, they are Nitya Siddhas. Nitya Siddha, Parikar Boli Gani, look like Parikar, but something is different in there. Understand? In Golok Vrindavan, the two kinds of Jivas are there. We are Jivas, I am using this word. One is called Nitya Siddha, or one is called Parikar. Parikar, they are actually not Jiva Tattva. They are the eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikar. And that's an intranscendental world. And in Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, Mathura, Golok Vrindavan. As in Hanuman, he is not Jiva Tattva. Hanuman, he is what? Parikar Tattva. Gaudiya Siddhanta is the Parikar Tattva. He is the eternal associate of Lord Ramchandra Parikar. And in the same way, Golok Vrindavan, Subal, Sridham, Nanda, Jasudha, Radhika, Lalita, and all they are called Parikar Tattva. They are actually manifested from Krishna's internal potency, Sab-Shakti Prakash. And first Srimati Radhika, Bhadini Shakti, Sarvini Srimati Radhika. And then Srimati Radhika, she manifested all these things. This is Ras Vichar. They are not Jiva Tattva. They are Parikar Tattva. A Jiva Tattva, those who are manifested from Tarsa Shakti, they are also Parikar. What is called Jiva Tattva. Again, also Bhaktivinoda Thakur explains Jiva is manifested in three ways. Some Jivas manifest from Baladev Prabhu. They are staying in Golok Vrindavan. They are also Jiva Tattva, but they are not Parikar, they are Jiva Tattva also. They are called Nitya Siddha Jiva. Another, the some Jivas are manifested from, what is called? Sankarsana. They are staying in Vaikuntha Jagat. They are also Jiva Tattva. Are some Jivas manifestable from Karmadoksai Vishnu? Many. Some they also attend Vaikuntha, and some they have come in this material world. They are Jiva Tattva. So, generally when we discuss about Jiva Tattva, Jiva is manifested from Krishna, Lord, marginal potency, that is called Tarsa Shakti, or Vivinnams of this way. But those who are Parikar, they are not Jiva Tattva. They are the eternal associate of Krishna. But as a Hanuman, he is not Jiva Tattva, he is Parikar Tattva. Gaurura, Visaksen, Vaikuntha Dham, they are not Jiva Tattva. Joy, Bijoy, they are not Jiva Tattva. They are called also Parikar Tattva, Vaikuntha Parikar Tattva. Joy, Bijoy. They are gatekeeper, Parikar Tattva. So, what did he say? No, I actually, who is called Sadhak or who is called Siddha? Sadhak, there is Jiva Tattva. The Bilamangal Thakur is Jiva Tattva. But by his permanent bhajan and sadhan, he attained Siddhi Dasa. That is called Sadhan Siddha Jiva. Bilamangal Thakur. So for this, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu and explain who is called Sadhak or who is called Siddha. How do you know? That my Gurudev is Sadhak or Siddha? Generally disciple, they are thinking, My Gurudev is the eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. Yeah? You understand? But how do you know? He is Sadhana Siddha Jiva or Nitya Siddha Parikar. This thing also explained Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Vishwanath Chakravarti. And give the definition about sadhak, and he also give the definition about siddha, and parikar. Utpanna ratayo Krishna. Rati towards Krishna manifests one's heart. And he is qualified to take darshan to Lord. But some obstacles are coming and he can't take darshan to Lord. So for that types of sadhu, he is called sadhaka. And Bilamangal Thakur. Bilamangal Adu Sadhaka Parikirtita. Bilamangal Thakur is called sadhaka. Jivatat. Understand? A Siddha, the eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar is Siddha. What is the symptom of Siddha? Siddha means those who are completely absorbed with Krishna, Lila Katha, Rati, deep attachment to Krishna. And they are never feeling any tiredness. Any tiredness. Seva, Krishna Seva. Bhakti Rasamrita. Bring my book. Bhakti Rasamrita, Sindhu Bindu. Blood. On my table like this. You read. You don't understand. How do you know who is Jiva Tattva or Parikar Tattva? But both when they are coming in Golok Vrindavan, actually there is no discrimination. So for the Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, in Parikar Boli Gali. When she was doing bhajan and sadhan and attend to Golok Vrindavan, there is no difference. Both they are subject to divine Radha and Krishna with love and affection. But some little bit also are difference in there. What is that? Those are Jiva Tattva and with their sadhan bhajan attend to Golok Vrindavan. They can serve to Krishna and Srimati Radhika, but their service little bit far. That is called Durgata Seva. Sanskrit word, Durgata Seva. They serve to Krishna or Srimati Radhika little bit far. But what is that? Give an example. They will collect the flowers. They will make the garlands. But they cannot direct to over to Srimati Radhika.
English.
Yeah. Understand? They bring the flowers, make the garland. They press the, what is called, sandalwood paste, chandan. Everything they offer to Nitya Siddha Parikar. As like Rupa Manjari, Rita Manjari are eternal associate of Srimati Radhika. Understand? So only this is the little bit slight, very, what is called? Little bit slight difference in there. And for this regard, scripture there is called Durgata Seva and Nikadgata Seva. Both they are servicing love and affection with different Radha and Krishna. But those who are eternally associated of Lord, Krishna Nitya Parikar, Ali Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, they are Krishna's Nitya Parikar. Understand? They are Saraswati Prakash from Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika herself manifested. They served to Srimati Radhika very close intimacy. As well as a Divat Jiva Tattva, and doing bhajan and sadhan and attend to Guru Vrindavan, they are as like Parikar. So Parikar Boligani. Chaitanya Charitamrita use this word Parikar Boligani. And if you understand the Bengali, then very clearly understand, otherwise not. Parikar Boligani. Parikar Boligani. We are saying they are Parikar. Actually, they are not Parikar. Who is Parikar? Those are eternal associates of Krishna. Krishna Saraswati Prakash. They are Parikar. Adi Radha, Lalita, Vishaka, Rupamanjari, Rudhimanjari, they are Parikar. Nanda, Jasoda, Vatsalaras, they are Parikar. Sakra, Subal, Sridham, they are Parikar. And those jivas manifested from Tasashakti, doing bhajan and sadhan, and going in there, they look like Parikar. Are come here? Hey, listen here, Parikar.
I cannot find it.
I cannot find it. I know it here. Maybe I did not bring also maybe. Okay, I forgot. Generally, always I keeping the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu with me. Maybe not in there. Okay, no problem. Just I am saying, listen. So this is the difference. One is called Durgata Seva, and another is called Nikadgata Seva. This is the difference only this. No, just listen. Not listening, I will have to understand. First listen, then understand. Again, you know what is going on. One is called Durgata Seva, another is called Nikadgata Seva. Nikadgata Seva means very close intimacy served to different Radha and Krishna. Those who are called Parikar. Means those who manifested from Krishna's Saraswati Prakash. Durgata Seva, they are served to Srimati Radhika and Krishna little far. So what for? Just they collect the ingredients to serve to Krishna or Srimati Radhika, collecting flowers and or sandalwood, these. And another also difference in there, those are eternal associated Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. They have one Shatantramai Seva. Remember, write down. What did he say? Shatantramai Seva means they have independently served to different Radha and Krishna. Independent. They can Shatantramai Seva. They have not to Anugatta Samman. But sometimes they are very humble. Because bhakti is coming, they are very humble. As a Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari. They have Satantramai Seva, but they are very humble. Only they serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Lalita Sakhi. But they are no necessary. But they are very humble. Understand these things. So they have the Satantramai Seva. And those Jiva Tattvas going in there, they have no Satantramai Seva. They cannot serve to different Radha and Krishna independent. They have to serve to Sri Radha and Krishna under guidance of those are eternal associates of Krishna. Krishna's Parikar Anugattamai Seva. That means Jivas. Those Jivas are here in this material world and free from Maya, with his sadhana bhajan going to Golok Vrindavan. They serve Srimati Radhika. But they have to serve under guidance of Nitavajana. This is only these things. So two things I discuss. One is called, they are called Satantramayi Seva, or they are Asatantramayi Seva. These are things. Durgata Seva, Nikatgata Seva. These things. But another thing also Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained. Those are eternal associates of Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikar. As like Radha, Lalita, Vishaka, Rupanji, all these. They also very humble. Sometimes they will give chance to the jivas. Okay, you serve to Srimati Radhika. You serve to Krishna. They are giving some chance. Nikatgata Seva they are giving, but not always. Always not they will give. Sometimes they will give chance to you, Srimati Radhika. Sometimes they also listen your advice. Nikunja Juno Ratikeli Siddhai Jajali Vijukti Rapekshaniya Tatradi Daksa Pativallavasya Bande Guru Sri Charanaravindam Bande Guru Sri Charanaravindam Bande Guru Sri Charanaravindam. Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad, Guru Bhaskar, glorified about Gurudev. Oh my Gurudev, how is great. Even sometimes Lalita, Vishaka, Rupanjali, they also very eager to listen some advice from my Gurudev. Nikunja Juno, how today, what kinds of lila will perform? What lila will they do? Understand? What lila will they play? Sometimes also my Gurudev, Guru Rupa Sakhi, he gives some instruction. Okay, today this lila they do. They are planning this way. Understand? As like in drama, director, director he gives the direction. Oh, you do this. So sometimes my Gurudev, he gives this types of direction and giving some, what is called, instruction. So Nikunja Juno Rutikali Siddhai. Today how Divine Kapila Radha and Krishna, how they meet together, how this separation, feeling separation to each other. And these also things they are arranging. In this way, Lila is going in there. So in Nukunja Juno Rutikali Siddhai Jajali Vijuktir Apekshaniya. Even Lalita Vishaka, they sometimes also listen. The instruction of my Guru Vasaki. This is going this way. Guru Premanande. Jai Jai.
So Maharaj, you will recognize Sadhan Siddha gopis when you see the Sadhan Siddha person in this world, achieves praying and then he goes to Golok Vrindavan and serves from some distance. Will the Nitya Siddha gopis recognize that, oh, that gopi is...
क्या बोलना चाहते हैं? What do you want to speak? No, what is your question?
You're asking if the Nitya Siddhas can see the difference between Sadhu and Siddha.
Huh?
He's asking if the Nitya Siddha gopis know those who are Sadhu and Siddha, what is the difference? They can see the difference of Nitya Siddha and Sadhu and Siddha.
Like Rupa Manjari, she's there serving Srimati Radhika and then she's feeling some compassion.
They are already there.
But will she know?
You are already here. I am coming new. So automatically you are. This is the why this question will come. You want, I am not here. I am not here. You are here. Given, you are Nitya Siddha. I am Sadhana Siddha. So you are here. So I am just coming, then that means I am newcomer or not?
Yes.
So how, why the question? So automatically they realize.
So they will know that's my question. They will realize.
This is the way. You are here already, eternally you are here. So when I come, that time you know he is newcomer. This is the thing. They automatically they know.
It's just that once I heard somebody told me that once the Sadhana Siddha he goes to Goloka Vrindavan, there will be no difference between the energies.
There are no difference. But here the Nitya Sadhana,
The service difference.
the service difference in there. But here with Chaitanya Charitamrita explain. I am not saying Chaitanya Charitamrita. And Parikar, tate Parikar Boli Gani. Here usually there, that means that the Parikar Boli Gani. Gani means is what? You counted. Before you was not. Understand? Now you are counted. Here the Bengali words explain this way. Krishnadas Kaviraj explain. Those who are Jiva Tattva and liberated and attain to Guru Vrindavan, they are Parikar Boli Gani. Here Boli Sabda. Boli means is what? Look like. Look like. Actually not. So for this get discrimination, who is called sadhak or who is called siddha. Then Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu Bindu. For this regard I told. You have this book, you can read, I showed you. Who is called sadhak or who is called siddha. But when sadhak is sadhak, when siddha and going there, discrimination, little bit, slight discrimination I told you. Those who are no pure Bengali, they know, they can understand. Because this here, there has Krishnadas Kaviraj. If you read Chaitanya Charitamrita, and Parikar Boli Gani. Parikar Gani not, Parikar Boli Gani. You are Boli. Boli means what? Look like Parikar, not Parikar. Because on the Jiva Tattva, Parikar Tattva. Jiva Tattva manifested from Krishna's marginal potency. Understand? The simple way you understand. Jiva Tattva, when we discuss about Jiva Tattva, these are manifested from marginal potential, Trasa Shakti. Or Jiva Tattva manifested, I also tell the three ways. But they are called Jiva Tattva. Or Parikar Tattva, those who are eternal essence, they are not manifested from any, they manifested from Krishna's Sarup Shakti. So for this, Bhaktivinoda Thakur also, Jiva Shakti is called Apurna Shakti. Incomplete potency of Lord. You read Jivadhana very clearly, one minute. He explained there. Jiva Shakti is called Krishna's Apurna Shakti, not Purna Shakti. Or Parikar, they are Purna. Because they are Chit Shakti direct. This is the point. Read Yoga Dharma again and again. Then understand. Otherwise not. Who is called Parikar? They don't discriminate. Who is called Parikar or who is called Siddha. So then the explanation is Sadhak and Siddha. Definition is here. Utpanno Ratayo Krishna. Utpanno Ratayo Krishna. Rati manifested one's heart and is also, but Utpanno Ratayo Krishna. And Krishna darshan success. Yogyata is qualified to take darshan to Krishna. This is true. But some impediments and obstacles coming. For this regard, he can't to take darshan to Lord. He is qualified, everything. Some. But what is that? Then explain Vishwanath Guru, maybe previous life he did some Vaishnava Aparadh. Vaishnava Aparadh destroyed, but the smell of Vaishnava Aparadh in there. This is the main description in there. And like Bharat Maharaj. Bharat Maharaj is attained in Bhavadasa. So how possible to fall down? If you have Nishtha will come, you will never fall down. Nishtha will be Adu Saddha Tatu Sadhana Bhajana Kriya Anartha Nishtha. When sadhu will come the stage of Nishtha, he cannot fall down. And fall down means is what? Attached to material things. Yes. What do you attach to? Wife, children, wife. This attachment is the cause of the bondage. Asakti. Asakti क्या करता है? बंध देते हैं. This is the obstacles of bhajan and sadhana. So first say, cut the knot of asakti. Asakti के knot को काटो. Cut the knots of attachment.
One more question.
अरे यही समझ नहीं पाता कौन क्या समझ?
अगर मैं सवाल नहीं पूछूंगा कैसे समझ?
हैं?
This is age-old questions. I have asked you many times.
Yeah.
You always never give me
Answer.
straight answer. Let me disappear.
What is the answer?
Everybody asked this question. Apurna Shakti, Tatastha Shakti, we jivas came from there. You said some go back, go to the spiritual world. Some remain here. How is it that we remain here? Why did we choose this world? Why didn't we follow the other jivas and go back to the spiritual world?
This is the Bhaktivinoda Thakur saying in Jaiva Dharma. I am not giving my own decision. Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained the actual jivas, those who are coming in this material world, the actual here Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they misuse their independency potency. Swatantra Shakti Abhavdavha.
How did we misuse?
Eh?
We didn't know anything. How can we misuse?
Pardon? When you were in Trasa Shakti, that time, then you have all kinds of knowledge.
Already.
You have knowledge. What is this and what is good? You have discrimination power. But you misuse the knowledge. Give an example. Which life is best life? You tell me.
What?
Marriage life or brahmachari life? You tell to me. Honestly, you can understand.
From experience,
Brahmachari life. This is true. But why people they are going to marry? Why the people they are going to Maya? They know. Everybody knows. You cannot say that I don't know. You are not innocent. You are looking. You know. You are hearing. So why you are going to the Maya? Why are you jumping in the fire? This is Gurudev words.
you want to enjoy?
You know, enjoy this. You are thinking I will get enjoy. But how possible one person thinking I will jump in the fire, enjoy? You swimming in the water, enjoy. So how possible you will think I jump in the fire, enjoy?
But if I have knowledge that fire will burn me, why would I want to jump in the fire?
That's why.
This is Gurudev words. I am not saying this Gurudev. I am not saying this word. Just I repeat Gurudev words. Repeat Gurudev. How will you think if you jump in the fire, I will enjoy? But still you are thinking. If you you know the fire burns you. If you touch the fire, before touching, just heat coming. You touch then fire burn. But before touching also, you are feeling heat. But still you are think I will enjoy. If I jump in the fire, I will enjoy. This is not true. You cannot get any, what is called, entertainment to jump in the fire. But still people they are going. Why? In the same way, come in this way, when Jiva was in the Tapsa marginal position, one side Chit Jagat, transcendental world, one side material world. Though Jiva turned their face towards transcendental world, they attend to Krishna. Man attend to Vaikuntha Jagat. And those who turned their face to Maya, that time they also enjoy with Maya.
So we chose that. We chose to...
You choose. You have knowledge, but you choose. You try to understand. This is not, you read Jayavadharma. I am not giving my own decision.
If I have knowledge that Chit Jagat blissful is so great, and here I am going to suffer, surely if I have knowledge, I would have chose that. There's something more, Maharaj.
You try to understand this way, what to do. This is your...
20 years I've been trying to understand.
You chant holy name, they understand.
I've been chanting. I'm trying to ask Nam Prabhu.
And give up also. Only chanting holy, not realization. Give up the bad
I'm
habits.
giving up one by one slowly. If I do everything, I die.
Another thing, only chanting you cannot, and realization will also give up that.
Got some more questions, Maharaj.
So now 10 o'clock.
About all our Guru Vargas, they are all Nityasiddhas. Our Guru Vargas.
I cannot give the decision. Maybe I commit offense. But is it true? All are not the Nityasiddhas. All are not the Sadhana Siddha. But how do you recognize who is Sadhana Siddha, who is Nityasiddha? During your bhajan and sadhana. But all disciples thinking my Gurudev is Nityasiddha. This is another thing. For the Vishwanath Chakravarti Path saying the Guru Bhashta, Nikunja Juno Rutikili Siddhi Jajalibi Jukti Rapexaniya Tatradi Daksha Ati Vallabhasya Bande Guru Sri Charanam. Or Trivikram Goswami Maharaj also explained this katha. Sometimes saying, how do you know your Gurudev is Nityasiddha or Sadhana Siddha? How do you know? You just thinking, my Gurudev is Nityasiddha or Sadhana Siddha. But how do you know? When you do bhajan and sadhana. Your realization, that is self-realization, best realization. If I tell your Gurudev is Nityasiddha or Sadhana Siddha, I will commit offense. So this is not my decision. I cannot give decision. You realize yourself, do bhajan and sadhana come in the stage of at least bhavadasha or prema, they will understand.
So high.
If you will not come in this, how do you understand? These are things. Not so easy. So not need to. So just I also, what is called? In what is it? Tatastha, right? In neutral, we are discussing this. Understand? I cannot say your Gurudev is Nityasiddha or Sadhana Siddha.
Yeah, but we can say our Gurudev was Nityasiddha.
You say, but have you realized this?
He's Raman Manchari, he said himself. He said he's Raman Manchari himself. So
every your name also another name also Raman Manjari. Many Manjaris also name it. Your name also one Manjari. That you know the many, not only one Raman Manjari. Understand? That means he says, okay, his name is Raman Manjari. Also many Raman Manjaris also there.
So when we say somebody is a pure devotee, like bona fide master there.
You will not understand. If I tell you so many offense will come.
Yes.
If I speak something, you can understand the offense will come. So this is not our subject to discuss. Discuss anything. You realize your Gurudev is Nityasiddha or Sadhana Siddha. This is your realization. If I tell you argument, oh my Gurudev is Raman Manjari, then here, what to say? You need the one Raman Manjari there. How many Manjaris name? 27 Manjaris name in there. Not many Manjaris name. But 1,000 Manjaris are also there. Name? What name? Radhakant. You go to the internet. Your Gurudev gave you Radhakanti. Then Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami gave another disciple Radhakanti. Radhakanti, 1,000 Radhakanti. Even though Gurudev is one Radha Gandhi, two Radha Gandhi, four Radha Gandhis, Gurudev also. Which Radha? You say, oh, I am the disciple of Narayan Maharaj Radha Gandhi. Only not only you, many Radha Gandhis also there. They two are. So, just to give you example. So you cannot prove, oh, my Gurudev is Raman Manjari, that means he is Nitya Siddha. This is true, but I cannot give decision.
But you have got the realization. Maybe I don't have.
And if I tell, you cannot understand. Then your confusion will come. Everything is not to tell. You realize that is the best. So for this area, self-realization is the best realization.
But sometimes like us, we are sadhak and we think, oh yes, I've got realization. But it's not really realization. We may be thinking mentally, it's like mental speculation.
Yeah. And who is realizing? We come in the stage of at least asakti and bhav.
Not nista.
Who is not attained bhav dasa, how relate? Stupid nonsense.
Yes.
Huh?
I understand.
Small question. You said Baladev, the Jesus coming from Baladev Prabhu, they go to Golok. No?
Golok.
So Goloka means the external outer border, or they also go to.
Both are there. Yeah. Some they also Vaikuntha, some they are Golok, some they are also Vrindavan.
Jesus from Swarup Shakti and is from Baladev are same?
Different. No?
I couldn't.
What about Sweta Dev?
I am Unsago Samaj. You can but everything is your choice. For this regard, chanting holy names, they realization. Now you are listening and chant holy names. Then when Krishna himself manifests in your heart, then you will realize. Absolutely manifest in your heart. Which? Understand? If I tell you their name, maybe offense will come. How do you know your Gurudev name? So?
But the seniors.
But how did he know? We were to know Gurudev told him.
Yes,
but he is speaking the truth or not? That's the way. I'm listening. Paramananda Muni said, he giving another name also.
Neela.
Huh?
Neela.
So? So, we not to discuss these things, okay. According to realization, we say, okay, I say, Gurudev told me, this is my faith. But I realized, he Raman Manjari, I faith. He realized, my Gurudev means what is his name?
Neela.
That is his faith. His followers, his they are
So they
people.
start.
We not to criticize to anyone.
No.
Everything discussed according to their own level, but it is true. What is the absolute truth? Truth is your coming to your own bhajan and self-realization. So what is regarding the self-realization is the best. What is saying? Okay. He is saying, okay, saying. Lookable. Lookable and people say. So for this, so the nine of my pravachan or no method, no bonus with him. Jami will bring it to Jami and Tasris Atma. Now, chant now on free how to free from unearth. Last anger coming into heart or not? Stupid nonsense. Now, very difficult to give up with bad habits.